Hello, I'm Christine Blazynski, Chief Science Officer and Senior Vice President of Citeline, the company that produces TrialTrove, TrialPredict, Pharma Projects, and SiteTrove. I'm here to tell you a bit about what I'll be presenting at this year's DIA. I will be sharing results from a large analysis of oncology clinical trial benchmarks, primarily related to the time that it takes trials to run. But I'll also be including some metrics around patient demand, site demand, and country geographic breadth. I'll report on differences and similarities for trials that include or don't include biomarker components, and also look at some of the strategies around biomarkers. Also, I'll be looking at trial outcome or success in populations of trials that involve targeted therapies, and again, looking at differences and similarities in those trials that contain or don't contain biomarker components. To give you a hint, there are some differences. I'll be speaking on Tuesday, June 25th, in the session entitled Biomarkers for Drug Development. How are we dealing with the challenges? It's a session for the early birds as it starts at 8 a.m. But I promise to try to make my talk interesting. If you are inclined to get up and join me, to thank you for attending, I invite you to join me at Citeline's booth number 1607 in the exhibit hall immediately following the end of the session. We'll have coffee and pastries for those of you who've missed your breakfast. I look forward to seeing you in Boston.